Hello students, in this video we are solving class 11 chemistry, chapter 1, some basic concepts of chemistry, NCERT question 1.35. The question is, calcium carbonate reacts with aqueous hydrochloric acid according to the reaction, calcium carbonate plus 2 hydrochloric acid gives calcium chloride, carbon dioxide, and water. We are asked to find the mass of calcium carbonate required to react completely with 25 ml of 0.75 molar hydrochloric acid. Step 0. Understand the balanced equation. From the balanced reaction, 1 mole of calcium carbonate reacts with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. So, the molar ratio of calcium carbonate to hydrochloric acid is 1:2. Step 1. Calculate moles of hydrochloric acid. We use the formula, moles equals molarity multiplied by volume in liters. Volume is 25 milliliter, which is 0.025 liter. So, moles of hydrochloric acid equals 0.75 multiplied by 0.025. This gives 0.01875 moles. Step 2. Use stoichiometry to find moles of calcium carbonate. From the equation, 2 moles of hydrochloric acid react with 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So, 1 mole of hydrochloric acid reacts with 1/2 mole of calcium carbonate. Therefore, 0.01875 moles of hydrochloric acid will react with half of that amount of calcium carbonate. So, moles of calcium carbonate equals 0.009375. Step 3. Convert moles into mass. We use mass equals moles multiplied by molar mass. Molar mass of calcium carbonate is 40 for calcium, 12 for carbon, and 3 times 16 for oxygen. So, total is 100 grams. Now, mass equals 0.009375 multiplied by 100. This gives 0.9375 grams. Final step, round off the answer. So, the required mass of calcium carbonate is approximately 0.94 grams. Answer, mass of calcium carbonate required is 0.94 grams. Important concept. Always use the balanced chemical equation first, then apply mole concept and finally convert into mass.